This is how to configure password reset emails in WooCommerce. Jump into your WordPress admin, hit WooCommerce, then Settings. There's an Emails tab up top that most people completely ignore, but that's where all the good stuff lives. Before you mess with the actual reset email, fix your sender settings in the Email Sender Options section. Your from name should be your store name, not some random WordPress thing. Your from address needs to match your website domain too. Once that's done, click Save. Now look for Reset Password in that email list and click it. Make sure that Enable checkbox is actually checked, because I've seen people spend hours troubleshooting when it was just turned off. The subject line your customers see comes from that subject field, and the default is boring. Change it to something like password reset for your account, so people actually know what they're looking at. Same goes for the email heading inside the message itself. You can add extra stuff in the additional content section if you want. I usually throw in support contact info there, since people panic when they can't log in. Pick HTML for the email type if you want it to look decent, or stick with plain text if you're worried about compatibility. HTML looks better, but plain text works everywhere. Here's something most tutorials skip. Actually test this thing before you need it. Use that Send Test Email button, type in your email, and see what shows up in your inbox. Hit Save Changes and you're done. Your password reset emails will actually work properly and look like they came from your business instead of some generic system.